Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make egg roll which is very healthy, tasty and very nice to eat. I will show you the ingredients while I am making the egg roll. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. So come on, let us start. First of all, I have taken half kg maida here. This I will mix it now and make the dough. So for mixing I will use little bit salt, and mix it up well, and I will use warm water to make the dough. The dough is ready. Put some oil. Cover the dough for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I will make the mixture with the egg. I have taken 5 eggs, so I will make 5 parathas. Egg rolls. I will make 5. Now I'll put in some salt. Put some black pepper powder. Put some cut up fine onions, some green chilies cut up fine, and some coriander. Mix the egg mixture well. Egg mixture is ready. Now I will make the balls for the egg roll. I have made the balls. Now I am going to roll it. After rolling it like this, put some oil, put some jeera powder, put some chili powder, and roll it again. Put the oil and roll it again. I will roll all the parathas like this. Now I'll put up the pan. Pan is turned hot. I've put in the paratha. Now I'll take out the paratha. Put some oil. And put in the egg. Then put the paratha on top. Put some tomato sauce. And roll it. I will repeat this process over and over now and make the 5 parathas. Now I will serve the egg roll. Egg roll is ready to be eaten. Very yummy, tasty, healthy to eat. You can have it for breakfast, evening snacks. Thank you for watching my video.